Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be so much fun because we're going to be doing classic holiday makeup, but with a lot of new products. So we're just gonna jump right in. Subscribe if you haven't, and also click the notification bell if you haven't, so you never miss an upload. And let's hop into this makeup tutorial. I have a feeling this is going to be a long one, so I want to just jump right in. And I'm in my very holiday-y mood, so I picked these up from a dollar store today, and I just thought they were so cute and perfect for this tutorial for me to pull my hair back. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. You guys can't even see the top, and they light up. Look at this, they're so cute. Haha. I'm super excited about those. All right, so let's jump into this makeup tutorial for real. So it'll probably be a long one because we're gonna do full glam and it's gonna be a talk through, and y'all know I can get a little chatty, so let's go ahead and jump in. I'm gonna go in with this full brow skinny brow pencil. They actually sent me this brow pencil and I've used it several times, and I actually really like it. It's a regular skinny brow pencil, but it's not too waxy, which I'm not a big fan of, so I really like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead. Oh, you know what? You know what, y'all? I'm getting too chatty already. I'm forgetting stuff. First thing I'm gonna do is actually put on my Smashbox primer water. My skin has been so dry lately, so I need to hydrate it. Next, I'm gonna actually use this Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. I've told you guys that I've been using this because it has just been a lifesaver for me. This facial oil has been amazing. I've been literally using it every day underneath my makeup because my skin has been so dry and flaky. So now while that's sinking into my skin, I'm gonna go ahead and use this brow pencil. I actually really like it. It's not too waxy like other brow pencils, and I really like it. I still owe you guys a brow tutorial, I know, but I'm just gonna speed through these and do my brows really quickly because these can take me a long time. I just finished my brows, and now I'm going to take some concealer and just kind of touch them up so they look really crisp. I need to tweeze my brows and I just haven't gotten around to it, so I'm just trying to touch them up so they look super crisp. And you guys, I know you'll see a lot of people that don't even do this step, which is clean up their brows with concealer. But y'all, as much as I do my brows, I still need, I feel like sometimes, help with my brows. Like, I swear brows take me the longest and they give me the most anxiety. I promise you they do. Brows and liner. Alright, so next let's move into the eyes. This is probably going to be one of the more simple parts of the tutorial because I'm not going to do lashes today. I'm going to just let my natural lashes shine through, but I'm also using a new palette, which I'm really excited about. This is the Karity Picante palette, and it finally came. I feel like I've been waiting on this forever, but this is how it looks. Just super beautiful, has all those nice warm toned shades. The only thing it doesn't have is a deep brown, so we're gonna pair it with this Dose of Colors Baked Brown palette, but I'm really excited about this palette. So let's go ahead and get started. You know what, before I do anything, let me prime my eyes. I am using the NARS, the new tinted smudge proof eyeshadow base, and I'm just going to prime with that. I'm gonna prime my lids and also a little bit under my lids. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take this middle shade right here in Harvest, and I'm going to go ahead and just add that to my crease. And I've never used this palette before, so don't know how pigmented this is going to be. With the same brush, I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's called Spicy, and it has a little bit of red in it. So I'm just gonna go right on top of this like brick orange shade. Maybe a little bit underneath it. On top, but a little underneath it. And I'm just gonna add this to the crease as well. Next, I'm gonna take the lid shade, and which one do I want to use? I think I'm gonna go with the most subdued shimmer that they have in this palette, and it's this one right here, and it's the shade Fearless, and I want to wet the brush. Next, we're gonna deepen up that outer corner a bit. So I'm gonna take this Baked Browns palette by Dose of Colors, and I'm gonna go in with this last shade, which is called Rock Bottom right here. And I didn't wanna do a black because I don't want it to be too dark, but I need to deepen it up a little. This is seriously the most easy look, and I promise you, you can recreate this with pretty much any neutral palette. Like, you could recreate this look so easily. And that's really the gist of the eyes. I'm gonna put on some liner right now. I'll do mascara a little later, and the eyes are complete. So for liner, I'm gonna use the Profusion liquid eyeliner pen. It's in black. I've been actually really loving this lately, so I'm just gonna go ahead and line my upper lash line. I haven't decided on a wing yet. Hold on, stay tuned. Alright, so let's get into some of these products. I don't know where I've been and how I didn't know that Ardell made actual makeup, but I got the In Her Prime face primer, and then I ended up grabbing their Photo Face Matte Foundation. So I picked up both of those at Sally's a couple of weeks ago. So let's give them a try. I haven't even opened this yet, haven't even broken the seal. And this is the face primer. I don't know why I'm using a mattifying face primer, but whatevs. We'll try it out. Doesn't feel very mattifying, to be honest. It feels really silky. Really silky. I do see where it's helping with my pores though. My pores actually do look really good. Alright, so now let's try the foundation. I got the medium 8 shade, and it says it's supposed to be soft, focused, flawless finish. So I am hoping this is my shade. Ooh, that looks a little light skin. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to wear this. It looks cool toned. Yeah, this is too light. This is too light, I can tell already. So I'm gonna grab a foundation back here and mix it together and hopefully try to salvage this color. So I'm just gonna add it with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. You guys know I love this, and I'm in the shade 8.5. I'm just gonna mix it with that. Not 8.5, I'm in 12.5 in Makeup Revolution. So you guys, I can't really give an accurate assessment on the Ardell foundation because I'm having to mix it, so sorry. It looked like it matched at the stove. All right, let's go in with this damp beauty blender and hopefully this works. Yeah, this is gonna be good. My wings actually don't look half bad today. My wings be looking a hot mess sometimes, y'all. Ooh, mixed together. That's cute though. Oh, y'all see that? That's actually real cute mixed together. You guys, this actually looks really good. Really, really good. Oh my God. I am impressed. So let's move on to concealer. We have another newbie to my collection, and it's the Huda Beauty, the Overachiever Concealer. I actually got this during the Sephora sale, and I have not been able to try it yet. So that's how the applicator looks. I got mine in the shade Graham Cracker. I think this look is coming together quite nicely. This is really pretty. Next, I'm going to take this Becca HydroMist Set and Refresh Powder. I don't think I've ever used this in a video before, but I have used this quite often off camera, and it just makes my under eye feel so refreshed and cooling. It feels like I'm putting something wet on my under eye, but it's a powder. Like, honestly, it's crazy. And it sets so well. It looks so good under the eyes. Definitely does not look drying. I am loving this powder. It's just a little baby sample size, but I have so many powders. This is enough for me. All right, so we're moving along here. I'm going to cream contour today. I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick, and I have mine in the shade Chestnut number 411. I'm gonna take it and just carve out my cheekbones. And this stuff is super creamy, so I wouldn't put much of it on. It is super, super, super creamy. So FYI. And I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend it in. Is just really nice because it helps keep your contour on. Honestly, it helps me keep my contour powder or my bronzer on all day. Like, it really does help with the staying power when you put it on. And here I'm just setting my face, and I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Ultra Definition Powder Foundation, and it's in the shade Medium Dark Golden. So it just looks like that. All right, so next let's go ahead and bronze. I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in Cappuccino. You guys have seen me use this several times before, and I'm just going to add that right on top of where I put the cream bronzer. I'm taking this e.l.f. blush in Always Spicy. This is such a pretty color. This is a newer blush for me. I've only used it like once or twice, and it's just really pretty. I will go on it with a light hand, and I think this blush would look super amazing on a deeper skin tone. Like, just look how gorgeous it is and how like rich that color is. So pretty. So before we highlight, I just want to go back into my bottom lash line real quick, and I want to add a few shades to my bottom lash line. So I'm going to add this, what shade? The shade in Spicy. I'm gonna add that to my bottom lash line with this like fluffier brush. Then I'm going to take this brown shade in Bittersweet, and I'm just going to add that to the outer portion of my lower lash line with this more defined brush right here. So to finish off the face, I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to also highlight the inner corners of my eyes with this as well. I have been obsessed with this. This is the Laura Mercier Stardust Radiant Glow Palette, and it's from their holiday collection this year. I have been totally obsessed with this. This is the only highlighter that I've been using, and I've been mostly using this shade right here, which is called Bronze. So I'm going to take this middle shade in Champagne, and I'm going to put that on the inner corners of the eyes. So no holiday look is complete without a beautiful red lip. I decided not to go for like that classic bright red, but for a little deeper of a shade. And this one is in the shade XOXO, and it's by Tarte. And I'm going to line my lips with the JhonteBlue lip liner in the shade Rich Red. You guys, this is the final look on the classic Christmas makeup. Like I said before, you guys can recreate this makeup look with virtually any neutral palette, so don't think you have to use the products that I use. But if you have those products lying around and you want to use them, everything will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you check that if you're confused on what products I used. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also follow me on all of my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and also my Facebook fan page. There will be more photos of this makeup look as well as other makeup looks if you missed them, so check me out on social media. And I think that's it. I hope you guys are enjoying your holiday season, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.